In this video we're giving an honest review of Soundrop, the music distribution platform, to see if it's really worth using. Soundrop is known for its low upfront cost, just 99 cents per track with no annual fees, making it appealing for independent artists on a budget. It also offers useful features like automatic royalty splits between collaborators and built-in cover song licensing, which are great for creators releasing remixes or covers. However, many users have recently reported serious issues, including long delays in track approvals and poor or unresponsive customer support. Some even claim that uploads can stay pending for weeks, raising doubts about how actively the service is being managed. While the low fees are attractive, Soundrop also takes a 15% cut of your royalties, which is higher than many competitors. Overall, Soundrop can work if you're testing the waters with a few releases and don't mind slower turnaround times. But for serious artists who need reliable support and faster distribution, there are stronger alternatives out there. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest insights on music and creator platforms.